How to use the Ansible built-in-tree Callback plugin to saving host event to file. Unveiling the power of Ansible.builtin.tree Callback enhanced visibility control in Ansible automation. As you can see, this Ansible plugin is not well known, but is included in the Ansible built-in collection. And it has one parameter, the directory, that is crucial because it allows you to decide where to save a file. You might be familiar with the -t parameter of the Ansible ad-hoc command. The default directory is on the home directory under the .ansible/tree. This parameter was introduced since Ansible-core 2.11. Welcome on my terminal. As I said before, the first usage of a tree callback plugin is via the Ansible ad-hoc command. So in any, you just need to get your Ansible installed and you specify the -t or --tree command line, the directory where to save a file, and one inventory and Ansible module. In this case, I'm going to use the ping module that returns this JSON file, this JSON message on the screen. As you can see, if we navigate inside the directory, there is one JSON file corresponding to our host, in my case localhost, with the exact same output that we display on the screen. This is very useful if we would like to conduct further analysis. Now, what if we would like to apply the same plugin to our Ansible playbook? Well, first of all, we need a playbook, so let's start writing one. The most easy that I could think about is using the ping module to test the connectivity of our host. So let's start with 3- and name ping module demo, host all of my inventory, and on the task list only one name, test connection using the ansible.builtin.ping module. Cool. In this way, we are going to test the connectivity in our target host. You can expand with a very complex Ansible playbook. The dynamic is the same. Okay, second things, we need an actually Ansible inventory, so some target host where to run out our automation. The most easy that I could think about is localhost, and I'm going to specify Ansible_connection local, so I'm not gonna use SSH, but just the local connection to execute my command. Third, we actually need to enable the Ansible callback plugin tree. We can do this creating an ansible.cfg file in the same directory of the playbook, and let me specify some parameter. So first of all, we need to actually enable the callback plugin. Under the default section, let's enable the callbacks enabled ansible.builtin.tree. Okay, if we would like to specify an additional directory, let's use the callback_tree section, and under the directory we can specify any directory. In my case, I'm sticking with the default that is under the home directory .ansible and /tree. Okay, let me see, I believe that there is a typo. Yes, it's here. Okay, it's not callback, is singular, is a plural, so callbacks enabled. Cool, now we are good to go. Let's move to the terminal to see the execution. Great, welcome back to my terminal. As you can see, the directory that we selected, the -ansible tree, is actually empty. So now I'm gonna trigger my Ansible playbook execution using Ansible. First of all, let's verify that the Ansible configuration is actually applied. We can use ansible-config, and on the dump there is one option that is only changed, yes, with a dash, that as you can see there is a callbacks_enable that actually enable the Ansible.builtin callback plugin. Cool. And now, having verified that the Ansible configuration is actually loaded, we can execute our Ansible Playbook. This is very simple one that return only the ping, but the important part is how is the file created or not. Let's figure out with a cat command on the terminal. And here we have the output in a JSON format. This callback plugin is very useful when we would like to save a result and do some further investigation or say for later execution. It's very interesting, and I think that can be very useful in your Ansible development. Now let's automate more.